everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to edit photo in Snapseed. Editing photos in Snapseed is a fun and straightforward process, so here is a quick guide to get you started. Open your Snapseed application and import your photo by tapping on the plus button and selecting an image from your device's gallery. Choose the image you'd like to edit and tap on Use at the top right. After you've imported the photo you want to edit, tap on the Tools option at the bottom. This will include Snapseed's editing features like Tune Image, Details, Curves, and more. You can use the Looks option to apply pre-made filters for quick edits. Inside the Tools tab, tap on Tune Image in order to adjust brightness, contrast, saturations, and other settings. Swipe up or down to select the adjustment you want to make. Then swipe left or right to decrease or increase the effect. You can also use the Selective tool to enhance specific area of your photo. Tap on the area you want to adjust and then slide your fingers to change the brightness, contrast, saturations, and much more for a specific area on the image. To save your changes, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. Inside the Tools menu, you will also be able to find the Brush tool that allows you to manually paint adjustments. Tap on the Brush button and then choose the Dodge and Burn option inside your Brush tool. You will also be able to find other options such as exposure, temperature, saturation, etc. For more advanced edits, you will need to select tools like Curves. From the menu, tap on Curves and then choose the pre-made curves on the screen for better edits and faster edits, or you can also customize the Curve tool by dragging the lines on the screen in or out to give your images the correct white balance or colors. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you can now go ahead and export your image to save your photo. So that's how you will be able to edit photo in Snapseed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.